Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset BitPay wallet settings step by step clearly. Open the BitPay wallet app on your device. Log in using your security credentials if prompted. Navigate to the main menu. Look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. Tap on the settings icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find the option labeled Reset Wallet. Select Reset Wallet. You may see a warning message about resetting your wallet settings. Read the warning carefully to understand the implications of this action. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm your selection. The app will begin the reset process. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that the reset is complete. Once the reset is finished, you will be taken back to the main settings menu. You will now need to reconfigure your wallet settings. Start by setting up your preferred currency. Adjust any security settings to your liking. Re-add any wallets or payment methods that you had previously included. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. You are now ready to use your BitPay wallet with the new settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.